Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to download this super cool app slash hack onto your iOS or Android device, but I'm going to be showing you how to do it on the iPhone today. This super cool hack that allows you to get unlimited gems and coins on Episode. As you can see, I have 3,350 gems on here. I'm going to be showing you how to do that. It's super simple and easy, and if you guys want to learn how to do that, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is the app that I'm going to be showing you how to download today. It is called Episode Plus Plus, and basically this app slash hack allows you to get unlimited or free gems slash passes. As you can see down here, there are a bunch of these options of gems, and all I need to do is click this button. I don't have to pay for anything, but as you can see, I only have 2,000 gems, and I'm gonna go and click that 675 gem purchasing option. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that, and as you can see, I have 2,675 gems, and then I'm gonna click that one more time right there, and there you go. I have 3,350. Yeah, I really recommend using this. You don't have to pay for anything. Super simple, super easy. I'm going to be showing you how to download that today. But before we do that, we're going to have to make a few setting changes in our settings app. So we're going to go to right over here just to make sure that our phone and the app are compatible and that I could download successfully and properly. So the first thing we're going to do is go down to battery. And there is the low power mode option. You're going to want to make sure that your low power mode is off, because when it's on, your phone doesn't really work as hard, just because it's preserving your battery. So you're going to go back and click that, or once you're done with that, you're going to go back and click that settings option. Sorry, I was getting ahead of myself. But yeah, make sure that that's off. And you're going to go back into settings, and you're going to make sure that your general tab is, I don't know what I'm saying. Go to the general tab, and you're going to make sure that your phone is updated to the iOS 10. So you're going to go click that About tab, and then go to the software version and make sure it's updated to at least iOS 10. Okay, and then you're going to go back, and then we're going to scroll down to the Background App Refresh tab right over here, and then you're going to see the Background App Refresh right at the top. You're going to go ahead and click that. And then it's going to say off Wi-Fi, and cellular data. You're going to make sure that you're on the Wi-Fi and cellular data option. When I first downloaded this, I was already on the Wi-Fi and cellular data option, so I didn't really have to worry about much, but just to be safe, make sure you are on that Wi-Fi and cellular data option. When you're done with that, you're going to go back, and then we're going to go back again. And you're going to stay in the general tab because we're going to do something with that later. But when you're done with that, we're going to go to our favorite web browser. You can use Safari. I personally like using Chrome. And when you get to that web browser, you're going to go to the search bar and type in the website AppBuild, appbuild.vip, appbuild.vip. You're going to go ahead and click that. And it's going to take you to the super cool website that has a bunch of your favorite apps that are hacked. That allows you to get a bunch of cool things for completely free, but I'm going to be showing you how to get that Episode app. So we're going to type in the Episode Plus Plus, and it's going to have that blue install button right on the right, and you're going to go ahead and click that. Wait for that to download. Should only take about 30 seconds, nothing too crazy. We're going to wait for that to download. So yeah. Alright, we're just about finishing up. It's going to say that configuration profile available. You're going to click continue. And then it's going to say, it's take you to this page. You're going to click allow. And it's going to say profile downloaded. You're going to click close. And then basically it's saying we're going to have to go to our settings app and further install it. So we're going to go to the general tab like I said we were going to be in before, but instead of being at the top, we're going to click the VPN and device management, and there's that Episode Plus Plus installer. We're going to go ahead and click that. It's going to say install profile. You're going to click install. Then it's going to ask you for your passcode. Then it's going to ask, it's going to say consent. You're going to click next. And then it's going to say warning. You're just going to click install. Don't worry, nothing's going to happen. Then you're going to click install down at the bottom right there. It's going to say profile is installed. You can click done. And when you close out, there is that Episode Plus Plus app, the app that allows you to get free gems and passes. So yeah, I really hope this helped you guys out, and I will see you guys later.